The reason this place gives wonderful dental care is, in my opinion, Dr. Rick Miller. He's very caring. He's trustworthy. I have all the confidence in the world and in him and in the folks who work for him. I'm not one of those who fears the dentist, so preventive maintenance certainly is key. And then, of course, when there's something major that needs to be done, for example, I had to have a root canal. I knew it before I even came in. He's very methodical and does a wonderful job. It's all about trust. So if you have that trust in the individual with whom you're working, you then have the confidence that they're going to do a good job for you. And I'm there. I mean, I absolutely trust Dr. Miller.